Daddy just painted the boat, and the boys are taking her out. Daddy will be down sometime soon to inspect that puppy. Just to make sure that baby didn't get scarred up. Yeah, well, I just wanted to record a little video here this morning of my neighbors. There's a funny thing behind this boat. It's been in the family for years, and Daddy decided to repaint the whole boat, put all new interior in it, and had a brand new motor put in it. So the boys are gonna take it out and have a good time today. Daddy didn't even want to drive it when it first got back. He says, I don't want to scratch it. Son didn't want to scratch it. Neither one of them wanted to drive it last weekend on the 4th of July. So here it is this weekend, and the son says, you know what? Somebody's got to take the risk. I'll let the video run a little longer so you guys can watch him take off. They're really good neighbors. I enjoy them. You got to go back and pick up Richard. Down here at the lake, you never want to leave your lift down in the water on this particular branch, because the boats that come in and out of this cove, majority are weekenders with a lot of money, and they really don't have any respect for, landowners that have docks. They're very brutal when they come through here with their wakes, and you potentially take the chance of destroying your lift if you leave it in the water. Back of the boat says perfect weekend. It's a good look at Envision. We're just about out of sight. There it goes.